Welcome to Channel Road Warriors, your go-to destination for all things automotive and adventure. Today, we're excited to bring you the scoop on the highly anticipated 2026 Mercedes Motorhome. This luxurious motorhome has been generating a lot of buzz in the automotive community, and we're here to give you the lowdown on what makes it so special. The 2026 Mercedes Motorhome boasts a sleek and modern design, with a focus on comfort and luxury. The motorhome's exterior features a range of premium materials and finishes, including a stainless steel grille and LED headlights. The motorhome's body is made from high-strength steel, which provides excellent durability and resistance to corrosion. The motorhome's exterior also features a range of advanced safety features, including a state-of-the-art collision avoidance system and a range of driver assistance systems. Inside, the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome is equipped with a range of luxurious amenities, including a spacious living area, a fully equipped kitchen, and a luxurious bedroom. The motorhome's living area features a range of comfortable seating options, including a plush sofa and a range of ergonomic chairs. The motorhome's kitchen is fully equipped with a range of high-end appliances, including a refrigerator, a stove, and a microwave. The motorhome's bedroom is also equipped with a range of luxurious amenities, including a comfortable bed and a range of storage options. The 2026 Mercedes Motorhome is designed to provide a luxurious and comfortable living experience on the road. The motorhome features a range of advanced comfort features, including a state-of-the-art climate control system, a premium audio system, and a range of ergonomic seating options. The motorhome's climate control system is designed to provide a comfortable temperature, no matter what the weather is like outside. The motorhome's audio system is equipped with a range of high-end speakers, which provide excellent sound quality. Powering the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome is a powerful and efficient engine, designed to provide smooth and quiet operation on the road. The motorhome's engine is paired with a state-of-the-art transmission, which provides smooth and seamless shifting. The motorhome's suspension system is also designed to provide a comfortable and stable ride, even on rough roads. The motorhome's engine is also equipped with a range of advanced safety features, including a state-of-the-art emission control system and a range of driver assistance systems. The 2026 Mercedes Motorhome features a range of advanced safety features, including a state-of-the-art infotainment system, a range of driver assistance systems, and an advanced collision avoidance system. The motorhome's infotainment system is equipped with a range of advanced features, including navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and a range of entertainment options. The motorhome's driver assistance systems include a range of advanced features, such as lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning. In terms of competition, the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome is part of a growing trend in luxury motorhomes. However, with its unique blend of luxury, comfort, and advanced safety features, the Mercedes Motorhome is sure to stand out from the crowd. Whether you're a seasoned motorhome enthusiast or just looking for a unique and luxurious way to travel, the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome is definitely worth considering. The 2026 Mercedes Motorhome is also a great option for those who want to experience the thrill of adventure without sacrificing comfort and luxury. The motorhome's advanced safety features and comfortable living quarters make it the perfect vehicle for long road trips or extended vacations. Whether you're traveling across the country or just exploring local attractions, the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome is the perfect way to do it in style. Overall, the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome is a luxurious and capable motorhome that's perfect for those who want to travel in style. With its sleek and modern design, luxurious amenities, and advanced safety features, this motorhome is sure to impress. Thanks for joining us on Channel Road Warriors. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive and adventure content.